When you solder something, you need to use flux, and Reball is not an exclusion. At first, I take flux and tack and see 559 ASM. In my case, the solder paste is a bit old and dry. That's why I'm using flux additionally. And put a thin layer of it onto IC. You can skip flux only if you have fresh high-quality solder paste. Next, I take Kapton tape and put it onto centered IC. Then I turn on hot air soldering station and use temperature of 350 degrees by Celsius, which I figured out experimentally. Also, for the stencil not to swell on big chips, I take a napkin and fold it in two, and then put the stencil with IC on the napkin. Paste adheres better to a warm surface. It becomes more liquid. Then I press the stencil with IC lightly so the Kapton tape stays on and warms the stencil. I cover it with a piece of glass. I use Gorilla Glass from my phone. Then I start heating. I do this until the paste turns into balls. Don't move the glass right away. The solder should cool off, otherwise the glass will break and you might get hurt. Next, I unstick the chip and check the result.